first shot is me pounding these in. Here, this will be more dramatic.
Well, I didn't get that.
Amen. America's the only country that allows religion.
You're hurting that hot dog.
Oh! Wait, Peter, can I just do one thing?
What?
Here, look it.
Ow! I didn't get to do that.
Today we're gonna demonstrate circumcision.
You want to make sure you don't flip.
What's more American than grilling hot dogs on a warm summer day?
Ashton, it's 27 degrees out at night.
Shut up. This is America, and you're gonna enjoy penises if you like them. But there's one thing that's more American than grilling hot dogs on a summer night that's in the winter, and it's 27. Ice cream. As you can see in American tradition, hot dogs are a staple. But you know what's more of a staple? Ice cream. So what if we merge the two American staples, ice cream
And hot dogs.
Today we're gonna go in our science lab and merge these hot dogs with ice cream.
Because if anyone can do it, it's the science birches.
Amen. Here's what it takes to make a hot dog. Burnt penises, buns, ketchup, relish, and don't forget about your good old Great Value mustard.
Smell it.
I don't like relish.
It sounds terrible.
You don't like relish?
No, not sweet relish, animal.
First, before we make our all-American ice cream hot dogs, we're gonna
This is
make
chopped.
all-American regular hot dogs.
Presentation is 50%.
What smells like holes? Now let's take a bite of our all-American. That's gay.
I don't want to bite this.
I love cold hot dogs that haven't been cooked all the way.
It tastes like freedom.
It tastes like fireworks, 64-ounce sodas, and guns.
I like me some hard liquor.
Shut up, cameraman. I love America. Now, let's make the next best American thing. Ice cream hot dogs. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna make hot dog flavored ice cream, ketchup flavored ice cream, mustard flavored ice cream,
and relish flavored ice cream.
Yum. How are we gonna do that?
Yum.
An all-American ice cream machine from Italia. This is American. And we're gonna make American ice cream. So, step one, stop caressing it. This is why I say you're gay, Peter. Okay, we need to put our hot dogs in the blender to make hot dog paste that we can put in our hot dog. Okay, let's blend our hot dogs.
I think we need some milk in there.
Everyone knows a little bit of milk never hurts some hot dog.
Smells like those Vienna sausages that I ate for the one bite.
Now we're gonna take our ice cream machine and add our ice cream ingredient. 2 cups and 1/4 of milk. It smells really good. 3/4 cups sugar. Okay, and then for the magic ingredient.
Heavy whipping cream.
Okay, so now we have all our ice cream ingredients.
And we get to add the hot dog.
Set the ice cream machine to ice cream and click start. We also made relish ice cream.
Ooh, look at that.
Ketchup ice cream. And most importantly, no American hot dog without
Mustard.
There was one girl in my class last year. In the middle of class would just go.
Okay, dump the ice cream in the squirt bags. Oh, mustard ice cream.
We both do it.
That's really gay, Peter. You're gay. Insert in the meat.
Ketchup time. Oh no, it's all the same color.
Okay, that's enough ketchup. That's enough freaking ketchup. Do the mustard. Yummy. Relish. Yeah.
Oh, that's the same.
We're Americans now. Yummy.
Which one's the ice cream?
Which one?
Big ketchup.
Put the bloody ketchup on.
Ketchup, everybody.
Yeah,
Vanessa, get the ketchup.
Okay, why are you a great British? Now the mustard, a piece of
Noise, come on. But, oh, good, I like it.
No, wait, a little bit
I
more.
want more. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
No, it's going
I have to go home.
Okay. It went right in my mouth though. The most American thing you'll ever eat. We finally made it through all these steps. Let's taste our ice cream hot dog in 3, 2, 1. No, Ma, this is the most American item in the world. Tasted sugary, milky, and
like a whole lot of fat.
This
This was the worst video we've made so far. Please don't like it. Don't
I have
subscribe.
ketchup in my eyes. It hurts.
If you've lasted this long, do this at home so you can experience the pain.
Bye.